Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit a like, share and subscribe. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the fuel pump on Alfa Romeo 147. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to fold the bottom of the back seat by pulling on these tabs. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and right under this is our fuel pump, under this cover right here. Next thing I'm gonna do is undo these 3 Phillips screws. Now I'm gonna undo the connector. I'm gonna pull on this yellow safety clip, and I'm gonna push the connector off. Since it's stuck, I'm gonna use my screwdriver to give me a little bit of leverage. Alright, just like that. Now to undo the fuel line, I'm gonna press it in, and you got 2 plastic clips on the side. You gotta press them and pull the fuel line off. If you got any pressure in the system, do this slowly so the pressure can be relieved. Now I'm gonna use my pry bar and my hammer to undo this plastic ring. Be careful not to break off any of the plastic teeth. As you can see right here, the pump is actually spinning with the plastic ring, which is not ideal, but this is not the first fuel pump I've took off on these cars, and I know it's not going to damage the pump or the float, so this is not going to present the problem. Alright, here it is right here, and the pump is loose. Alright, I'm gonna take the ring off, and I'm gonna pull the fuel pump out. Pay attention to this rubber gasket, you don't want to damage it. Now the float, I don't know how well can you see it on the camera, is turned toward me, so I'm gonna tilt the pump to the right and pull the float out. One thing you gotta pay attention to is the direction of the pump. You actually got the arrow right here, and you got the arrow on the fuel pump as well. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.